Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English notes step by step. First, take about 5 to 10 minutes to quickly scan all your English notes. This initial pass helps you grasp the overall structure and main ideas. Look for headings, bolded terms, and summaries. Also, gather any related textbooks or handouts you might need. This preparation sets a strong foundation for deeper learning and ensures you have all necessary resources at hand. Next, engage in active reading and annotation. As you read, highlight key vocabulary, literary devices, or grammatical rules. Use the margins to jot down questions, make connections to other texts, or add personal insights. Try to summarize each major section in 1 or 2 sentences. This active engagement helps solidify your understanding and makes the information more memorable, moving beyond passive review. Now, it's time to summarize and organize your notes effectively. Condense lengthy sections into brief summaries, perhaps 3 to 5 key points per topic. Consider creating an outline or a mind map to visually connect ideas. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing vocabulary or literary terms. This process of rephrasing and structuring helps you internalize the material and identify any gaps in your comprehension. Finally, practice and regular review are crucial for long-term retention. Try answering practice questions or explaining complex ideas to a friend or even to yourself. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to review your summarized notes. This consistent practice helps move information from short-term to long-term memory. Identify any challenging areas and spend extra time on them until they become clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.